Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the 2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport, the truck that punches like a heavyweight and dances like a ballerina. Forget your mall crawlers. This beast was built for adventure, dirt, and pushing the limits of what a mid-size pickup can do. First things first, this Hilux ain't shy. It rocks an aggressive stance with a blacked-out grille, chunky fender flares, and those snazzy 17-inch alloys wrapped in all-terrain rubber. It's like they took a regular Hilux and injected it with adrenaline. And if you're feeling sassy, opt for the black roof, a pure head-turner alert. But looks ain't everything, right? Under the hood, the GR Sport packs a punch with a 2.8 liters turbo diesel engine pumping out 165 kilowatts and 550 newton-meters of torque. That's enough to launch you from 0 to 100 in a respectable 8.6 seconds, leaving most SUVs in the dust. Not to mention, the upgraded suspension with cumulative shocks and wider track gives you off-road prowess that'll make you giggle like a maniac. Ditch the paved roads, embrace the mud, and conquer any obstacle like a champ. Okay, let's be honest. Roughing it doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. The GR Sport's interior hits the sweet spot. Hey, sporty without being Spartan. Think heated leather seats, a grippy steering wheel, and a touchscreen infotainment system that keeps you connected even when you're lost in the middle of nowhere. And yes, there's enough space for your friends and gear, because adventures are always better shared. So, is the 2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport the undisputed king of mid-size pickups? Well, it's definitely a contender. It's got the muscle, the swagger, and the tech to tackle any challenge you throw its way. But let's not forget its quirks. The payload capacity takes a hit due to the fancy gear, and the service intervals might have you visiting the dealership more often than you'd like. Ultimately, the GR Sport is for the adventure junkies, the dirt track enthusiasts, the ones who crave thrills and don't mind a little rough and tumble. So, ditch the boring, embrace the bold, go test drive the 2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport and see if it ignites your off-road soul. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Is the GR Sport the ultimate adventure machine? Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.